After your bike has been used properly and thoroughly for about a couple years, and you feel that your rear wheel is dragging along a lot, you definitely feel that resistance coming along, and that means that your bearings are either wearing or they're already worn off already. Fortunately, we have something at HT Azimods, and that is the all balls racing wheel bearings. Well, this has a really high quality grease. I'll just show you how it looks. Well, these are the kind of bearings that you get inside the box, and these offer superior quality than the OEM ones which are there. These not only are less frictional, that means these allow your rear wheels and your front wheels to move around a little bit more freely. At the same time, will definitely help improve acceleration, even if it is the minutest bit. If not anything, of course, this removes the squeaks from your tires whenever you're riding, and of course, this will make sure that your bike is rejuvenated. That means it feels as good as new. Get yours now at HT Azimods and enjoy pampering your bike a little bit more every single time with All Balls Racing. For this is one of the best things that you need to improve your bike's feel, fit, and finish with respect to the wheels and tires.